Artificial intelligence, AI, as you all know that it is very popular in the present technological field where it is taking a huge impact. Some of the examples are in the field of real world, in the field of business, and in a field of health care. Perceptual information over the existing physical surroundings, which is called as the augmented reality. Technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. Hello everyone, myself Jayashree Chandru, Faculty Department in Computer Science, Vidyashram Pre-University College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Welcome to the Chapter 3 Emerging Trends, Session 1. Before going to the introduction, let us see the marks weightage of this chapter. So marks weightage is total 9 marks, MCQ for 1 mark, 1 question, long type answer 3 marks, 1 question, essay type is 5 marks, 1 question, total it is 9 marks. As you all know, the topic is very easy, so that easily you can score 9 marks. So children, let us see now what are the topics covered in this chapter in the session 1. First, we will learn about artificial intelligence, that is a major impact in the present world. And next is NLP, that is natural language processing, virtual reality, and at the last, robotics. So, are you ready to learn one by one topic? What exactly in the emerging trends we will learn? Come on, let us learn what it is. So, the introduction of the emerging trends. Before going in depth about the topic, we all know that new technologies are initiating day by day as technology is improving day by day in the present world. But what exactly the emerging trend means? Emerging trend is the state of art technologies which gain the popularity or set a new trend among the users. So many initiatives will emerge with the passing each day. Some will take a huge impact and some will fade away, as we all know that. So it is a state of the art technologies which gain the popularity and set a new trend among the users and in the present world. So which will take a huge impact in a present world and which are the technologies are impacting a present world? Let us see one by one. Artificial intelligence, AI, as you all know that it is very popular in the present technological field where it is taking a huge impact. So what is artificial intelligence, which endeavors to simulate the natural intelligence of the human beings, which mimics the human beings and machines, thus making them to behave intelligently. And also the machine is supposed to imitate some of the cognitive functions of the humans. It may be like learning, decision making, and also the problem solving. So it is a science of getting machine to mimic the behavior of the human. We all know that putting our own intelligence into the machine is also known as the AI. So it can do any kind of intellectual tasks but lacks in the reasoning capacity. AI, machine learning, and deep learning are the 3 different technology or the concepts which is there. And AI applications are very specific to one particular application or to the limited functions. Next, many are predicting that one day the AI will surpass the capability of the human beings and take over the world around like 2040. As we all know that the AI is probably, it is a fast developing field in the technical era. Let us see some of the examples which is using AI every day in our life. The intelligent digital personal assistants like Siri, Google New, Cortana, Alexa, maybe your Microsoft Bing, which all powered by the AI. Next, an intelligent machine is supposed to imitate some of the cognitive functions of the human beings like learning, decision making, and problem solving. And some of the examples are in the field of real world, in the field of business, and in a field of health care. So in the field of real world, how it is taking impact, spotting a planet in a solar system which is 2500 light year away, and in a field of a business which analyze a legal documents and extract the data and the date. And also in a healthcare sector also, the AI is taking a huge impact. These are the few examples, and some more examples also in the Google AI, which can examine the retina, eye scanning, and identify the condition of the diabetic patients where exactly it is. And in a Twitter, identify the hate and the speech of the terroristic tweets. So also in the Google search recommendations and the results, predictions of the word. So these are some of the examples of the AI. Next, coming to the natural language processing. What do you mean by natural language processing, NLP, which is very close to the human language and where exactly it deals with the interaction between the humans and the computers using a human spoken languages. It may be English, Hindi, or any of the human spoken languages, etc. So what exactly the NLP can do? It can transform the speech to text or text to speech conversion. So this is very close to the human language where it understands the human language and it reacts according to that. It mimics the human linguistic behavior. The human language it will mimic, which is that the NLP, and it able to understand the computers where it can manipulate and also analyze the human different kinds of languages, and also it has its own effective algorithm, and it sounds like a human beings react to our messages and the text whatever we have typed, like how human beings react, the same way it also reacts. And also it deals with the interaction between the human computers using the human spoken languages, as I told you, like Hindi, English, Kannada, and many other human spoken languages. So, some of the examples of the NLP let us discuss in the field of the business, in the field of call center, of course in the translations, and also in the email filters. Let us see one by one. Business running chatbots which automatically reply our queries, and it is an automatic customer report in a field of e-commerce, etc. In the call center, analyzing a customer feedbacks, replying to the customer feedbacks, text or voice messages of the customer's interaction, and in the enterprise analysis like comments or dislikes or anything it may be. Next, translations. As I told you, text to speech and speech to text translations. Email filters, searching the results, social media monitors, and some are the other examples. Now let us see one more major impact which is very close to the real world, which is connected to the real world, that is your immersive experiences. What exactly this immersive experiences means? What and all we will learn here. Come, let us see what exactly the immersive experience means, which allows us to visualize and feel and react the stimulating of our senses, as I told you, which is very connected to the real world objects, which enhances our interaction and involvement and making them more realistic and engaging. So immersive experience have been used in the field of training, such as driving simulators, flight simulators, and many other. And it is a technology what exactly it will alter the society with or without our knowledge. It is a perception of being surrounded by and being a part of different environment than our normal day-to-day life. Immersive experience, of course, have been used in the field of training, driving simulators, flight simulators, and many other simulators also. And it can be used in the two methods. Which are those two methods which is closely to the real world? One is your virtual reality and your augmented reality. That is your VR and your AR, which is very closely connected. Virtual reality, VR. So what is this virtual reality VR? It is a three-dimensional computer-generated situation that simulates the real world. The user which can react and explore that environment by getting immersed in it a while and interacting with the objects and other actions of the user. And also it is achieved with the help of the VR headsets. And also the headset will block our eyes and we can get immersed out of the real world. And it looks like real, which designed to mimic a real world. Next, the applications where exactly the VR is used in the field of gaming, military training, and also in the medical procedures, entertainment, social science, and the psychology engineering. These are some of the areas, major areas where exactly the VR we are exposing. So some of the examples, as we discussed earlier, training and the military, where it can create a different warfield environment where the people can get trained and get into the real world objects. They can experience the real world objects, and in a field of a traveling to assess the knowing things by detail, enlarging it, placing the cursor on the particular objects, and so on. So also it will provide a 3D or 360-degree simulated environment, and digitally you can meet your friends. So these are some of the examples of the VR. Next, your augmented reality, that is your AR. So what is this augmented reality? That is also the superimposition of the computer-generated perceptual information over the existing physical surroundings, which is called as the augmented reality. So users can access the information about the very nearest places with the reference to the current location. And also, in other words, we call it as like overlaying the digital images to the real world objects to enhance the digital details. So what are the examples of the augmented reality where exactly we will use the AR in the field of the technology? That is in a social media photos, and just an animal or a dinosaur in your home with the enlarged size or a color where you can feel it, the environment. And also in your home, by placing of different angles, you can place a furniture where exactly it will fit into your living place, and with the enlarged or a reduced image size, you can just experience. And also the painting experience with the different colors, shades, and etc. So some more examples of the AR are: users can access the information about the nearest location, as I discussed, and adding a tails or a ears to the Snapchat pictures, again it is a filters. And gaming the Pokemon, it is a first augmented reality game which existed. And in a field of a business and in a field of a healthcare, how it is used, let us see. That is, many companies use to enhance their product experience. And also in a field of a healthcare, collect the patient details or the data, suggestions or surgery or the medicines, treatment, etc. in the field of the healthcare, and also in interior designing and modeling, and in a field of learning and the development, the AR is being used. So these are some of the examples of the AR. Next, coming to the robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of technology requiring applications of mechanical engineering, electronics in a field of computer science, and among others. So, robotic is like basically a machine which is capable of carrying out one or more tasks automatically with the accuracy and the precision. And it is primarily considered with the design and with the fabrication, operation and the application of robots. Where exactly the robots is taking place, here are few examples. NASA's Mars Exploration Rover, that is MER mission, is robotic space mission to study about the planet Mars. And also the Sophia is a humanoid that uses the artificial intelligence AI, visual data processing, facial recognition, also imitates the human gestures and facial expressions. A drone is an unmanned aircraft which can be remotely controlled and can fly autonomously through the software-controlled flight planes in their embedded systems, working in conjunction with the onboard sensors and the GPS. So these are the few examples of the robotics. Thank you, children. Next class, we'll meet up with the new topic in the session 2.